Hello all. Okay, I know it's been a while. Sorry, I've been busy like moving countries. Okay, where to start? It has been 1 week since I arrived in China. And that whole week has been absolutely crazy. There was literally, the day that I arrived, it was like, okay, now you can chill out in the hotel. That was the last chill I had in a week. And then everything since has just been go, go, go. Like training, meeting the school, finding the apartment, registering everything, registering myself, that I'm not a criminal, everything. So yeah, it's been pretty manic, but incredibly exciting. Oh my god, there's so much to tell you, but first I thought I'd give you a little crib tour because was it 2 days ago now? All of my timing's off. Yeah, about 2 days ago now I moved into my flat and it's really cool. I'll tell you like a big long story in another episode. There's so many episodes to come on my days. I've got work to do. Yeah, so there was a whole big backstory to finding this place, but it's super nice. It's super messy at the moment because I've literally just moved in and there's like rubbish on the floor and stuff because all of the fittings were new. So my incredibly rock hard mattress is brand new. They like mattresses hard out here. My fridge was new, like loads of stuff was just still had the plastic on, so I was like, score. And this is one of the cheaper apartments as well. I looked at some of the more expensive ones and they were minging. But we'll get to that in another story, like I say. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, I've moved in like 2 days ago and this place doesn't have a kitchen. I have a fridge in the bedroom, of like a sink, faucet, whatever you call it, in the bathroom, but it's like a tiny one for washing your hands. And plus you can't drink the water here, you have to like boil it first or put it through a filter. But I didn't have a kettle, so there was a few things that I was definitely missing. Toilet roll, and plus like they left the window open, so when there's constant construction going on, it was dusty as hell. Like it's clean, but it was just dusty. So I had to clean everything. So the first thing I bought yesterday was some cleaning supplies. I just went to a Walmart, which is obviously the Chinese rip-off version of Walmart, which we don't have in England, so I've still never been to an actual Walmart. But I just got some, let me show you. This part isn't particularly exciting, but lime green rubber gloves so that I could properly tackle the cleaning. I got these little bin baggies and just some scrubbiness. So let me first show you the bathroom. So again, it's very, very messy at the moment. I have not tidied. So you have it's what's called a wet room. You have the shower kind of over the toilet, and then the whole room is basically like a sinky basin situation, so all of the water just goes down, which is quite cool because that means it's going to be easy to clean. This, I don't know what the feck these are, but when you turn on these bulbs, it's like a sauna. It's boiling. I don't know if it's for like drying clothes or something, but it's insane. It's like being in the Sahara Desert when you switch these on. It's way too hot. I thought they were just regular lights, so I switched them on and I was just like, oh my god, I'm dying. Yeah, so that's my little teeny weeny sinky with all my Body Shop stuff that I brought with me. So that's right here. I need to take this off because they've sealed it, but haven't taken the tape off. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the fridge because the fridge being right next to the bathroom is probably not particularly hygienic, and being right next to my bed, which, look at my lovely huge bed. Never had a bed this big. Ooh. But like I say, the mattress is rock hard, so and step over all my stuff that I just bought. I've got a lovely little desk that's super handy. Right now I'm downloading the final episode of Game of Thrones. I've so far managed to avoid spoilers being in China, but I won't be able to do that for much longer, so I'm gonna have to watch it now. Look at these glorious roses at the school. So I went to my school and met all the teachers, and they presented me with these beautiful bouquet of flowers. and apparently they love me so much. And then this is probably my favorite part of this whole place. So I've got this like lovely big window seat situation. I'm gonna get some like cushions and blankets and stuff. This is actually lengthways, this can fit my body, so I think in the really hot days I can actually probably sleep here. If I get like a mosquito net, I can sleep out on here with like a bunch of cushions and stuff, and it'll just be really cool and lovely. Yeah, this is the view. Everybody lives in gated communities here, so this is my little community. We've got like a little park down there. There is non-stop construction because, like I say, I'm in Hangzhou, which is like a rich part, and everything's being built, so it's just constant banging at the moment. I'm hoping that calms down a little bit, maybe like in winter, who knows. Anyway, wardrobe, which is quite cool because that's the big old storage thing. I haven't got any coat hangers yet. I forgot to buy some just now. Intimates, ooh laddie, in a little drawer, I like that. And then that's just like more clothes and t-shirts. I brought a lot of t-shirts, but not a lot of anything else. Yeah, so that is my room. I have a washing machine, that's my front door, and then outside is like a little like shared living space because I have neighbors as well, and I have a washing machine there and a microwave, so I can cook some stuff, just I don't have an oven, so stay tuned on the whole FIMO situation. And yeah, let me just show you, just to demonstrate how incredibly cheap living is out here. I needed some more stuff, obviously, and so I bought toilet roll, I brought a mop, I brought my lunch, I brought 2 washing up bowls, one to wash up obviously in, and the other one is to soak my feet because it's really dusty here, like I say, and I've been walking loads, and I needed a brand new kettle as well. All of this cost me about £11.75. That is amazing. So cheap, I can't believe it. Yeah, like everything here, transportation, food, eating out, like, you know, even the apartment here, everyone's saying, oh, it's really expensive, but it's like, I think £250 a month, like the equivalent, and that gets paid for by the school, so I'm sitting pretty. I tried explaining to one of my like handler people who's lovely, I was like, you know, in England £500 a month would be considered a cheap living thing. She was like, what? I was like, no bills. Yeah, this includes electricity and Wi-Fi and water, I think, or maybe not electric, I can't remember, but you just top up. Everything's done on your phone here, like everything's done on your phone. The first couple of days I only had cash, and they were just like, what, you pleb? Like a lot of people were just very confused about the white girl who only has paper money and not doing everything on their phone. Now I can do everything on my phone like a local. And yeah, I think for now I'm just gonna leave it at that because I still need to get my bedding, and I still need to get just like bins and stuff, just like a few things to just make it easier. But the main thing I really needed was a kettle, because say I can't drink any water apart from bottled water until I have a kettle, so I can boil the tap water. So yeah, I'm making it a home, and tomorrow officially I start the school. And I think mostly it's just gonna be training at first, but everybody seems super nice. The school is brand new. Again, I'm quite excited about that because there's no expectations of what you're going to be like. They're all kind of working it out as they go along. And there is a Tunisian girl there as well. She's the only other like English language teacher who, you know, she's not a native, but her English is perfect. So yeah, but we're the only 2 English speaking teachers there. So that should be interesting. We're like running the whole school. We've got some fantastic Chinese teachers who obviously have an excellent level of English as well, but they need native speakers because they were just like, oh, you know, we were making cupcakes, and she said, what do you actually call this? I was like, oh, it's a piping bag or an icing bag. Just like little things like that that probably wouldn't come up in a normal English lesson. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I feel a bit more confident now that I have some stuff to clean all the dust off with, and toilet roll and stuff. Yeah, so I'm really freaking excited and freaking out. Don't get me wrong, I'm freaking out. Anyway, I'm gonna do like a whole bunch of videos on me getting here and the struggles, and like obviously loads of just walking around, exploring videos, and how life out here works as I find it out as well. But for now, I'll leave that with a little crib review, and yeah, see you when I see you. Wish me luck tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the world. Bye!